Mastering English, Pronoun-Antecedent Agreement with Appositives. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving into a specific, yet essential topic: pronoun-antecedent agreement in complex sentences. And in this video, we'll be zooming in on agreement with antecedents in appositives. It sounds complicated, doesn't it? But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be comfortable using pronouns and their antecedents in appositives like a pro. First, let's break down what appositives are. An appositive is a noun or noun phrase that renames another noun right beside it. The appositive can be a short or long combination of words. Look at this example. John, my brother, is a talented musician. Here, my brother is an appositive, giving us more information about John. Before we jump into how appositives affect pronoun-antecedent agreement, let's do a quick review of the basics. In English, a pronoun must agree with its antecedent in number, gender, and person. For example, Emma forgot her book at school. Emma is the antecedent and her is the pronoun that refers back to Emma. Now, the tricky part: pronoun-antecedent agreement with appositives. You might be asking, when there's an appositive, which noun does the pronoun refer to? The answer is simple. The pronoun refers to the noun immediately before the appositive. For example, Daniel, my brother, left his jacket at home. His refers to Daniel, not brother. So remember, the appositive can provide extra information, but it doesn't replace the original noun when it comes to pronoun reference. Despite its apparent simplicity, errors with appositives are quite common. The most common mistake is referring the pronoun to the appositive rather than the main noun. For example, my cat, a rescued stray, she loves to play with yarn. Here, she should not be used as my cat is the correct antecedent. Instead, it should be my cat, a rescued stray, loves to play with yarn. So, always ensure that your pronouns correctly refer back to the main noun, not the appositive. And there we have it. Pronoun-antecedent agreement in complex sentences, specifically dealing with appositives, is not as scary as it sounds. It's all about understanding that the pronoun refers to the noun immediately before the appositive. We hope you found this video helpful in mastering this fundamental aspect of English grammar. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using appositives flawlessly in your sentences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next lesson.